Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Tayyib Manir. Hope you will fine. Today in this video I will teach you some basic sentences of Arabic. So I have decided that I will use the three languages. For example, these languages are Arabic, English and Urdu. So some persons know Urdu very well, some persons know English very well, and some persons know Arabic. So this video will be helpful for the three types of the persons who are speaking Arabic, who are speaking English, and who are speaking Urdu language. So remain with me. How can we say in Arabic hello? The word hello, how can we pronounce it in Arabic? The translation of hello in Arabic is marhaba, not marhaba. Marhaba. Pronounce with me. Marhaba. Pronounce with me. Marhaba. Try again. Marhaba. And the next word is welcome. Just like we say in Urdu, Khush Amdeed. Khush Amdeed in Urdu, and in Arabic, Ahlan wa Sahlan, and in English, welcome. In English, welcome, and in Arabic, Ahlan wa Sahlan. That is not Ahlan wa Sahlan, not Ahlan wa Sahlan. Ahlan wa Sahlan. Okay? Ahlan wa Sahlan, welcome or Khush Amdeed. So the next word is Ma Ismuka. Ma Ismuka. Whenever we're talking to a man, male, why we say Ma means what is? Ismuka. Ism means name. Naam. In Urdu we say Naam. Ma means kya. What is? Ism, naam, name. Ka, yours. Ka, your. Ka, yours. Ka, yours. Aapka, yours. Ma ismuka, what is your name? Aapka naam kya hai? In Urdu we say aapka naam kya hai? In English we say what is your name? In Arabic we say ma ismuka. And when we are talking to a female, we use the word ma ismuki. Ma ismuki. Ki means we are talking to a female. Girl, woman, we say ma ismuki. So it is changed with the gender. Ma ismuka for boy, ma ismuki for girl. Ma ismuka for male and ma ismuki for female. The next sentence is ana indi fikra. Ana means I am. Indi means have. Fikra means idea. Ana indi fikra means I have idea. Ana indi fikra. Repeat it. Ana indi fikra. Ana indi fikra. Ana indi fikra. Ana means I am. Indi means have. Fikra means idea. And in Urdu, ana means मैं. Indi have. रखता हूँ. फिक्रा मीन्स आइडिया, ख्याल. आपका इस बारे में क्या ख्याल है? आपका ख्याल क्या है? अना इंदी फिक्रा. अना इंदी फिक्रा. Whenever we use ma, it gives different meanings. Ma means jo, ma means no, ma means kya. So ma can be used in different forms. Ma, what is? Ma, which, and ma, no. So we can pronounce ma in different ways with the respect to that sentence. So here ma ana indi fikra means ma means no. We will change the assertive sentence into negative sentence. Ma means negation something. Ma no. Ana मैं I am. indi have. रखता हूँ. fikra idea, ख्याल. Ana ma indi fikra means I have no idea. ठीक है, मेरा कोई ख्याल नहीं है. मा आना इंदी फिक्रा, मुझे कोई पता नहीं है. आई हैव नो आइडिया. मा आना इंदी फिक्रा. सो रिपीट इट. मा आना इंदी फिक्रा. मा आना इंदी फिक्रा. सो आई हैव नो आइडिया. द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज फी मुश्किला. फी मीन्स इन. सो इन इंग्लिश वी यूज द वर्ड at, in, into, but in Arabic fi means at, into, and in. So this is the single word that is replaced by at, in and into. Fi means may. In Urdu we say may. Mushkila, mushkil. Mushkila, just like we say Urdu, mushkil. Mushkila, problem. I have problem. Ana fi mushkila. Ana fi mushkila. Ma fi mushkila. The most word is used ma fi mushkila. Ma fi means no. We are using here ma at the beginning of the sentence. Ma fi mushkila. It means ma means no. Fi means in. Mushkila means problem. I have a problem. I have problem means ma fi mushkila. We can use the sentence la tujidu mushkila. Ma fi mushkila, la tujidu mushkila. La means no. Tujid mushkila, I have no problem. La tujid mushkila. Hope this lecture is helpful for you. If you want to have any questions or queries, please write below in the comments. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.